morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember everybody, today is Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? Today is our last day of the week. So we are going to continue to work on the number 3. Everybody remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. You know, what are we learning? We are learning the 3 pillars. Pillar number 1 is the market. Hello Allah, how are you? Hello Dancy, how are you? Pillar number 2 is the strategy. We are going to learn about the strategy in the advanced. Pillar number 3 is the trader, is the big one, but talking about the trader more in the advanced course. Hello Queen, how are you? More in the advanced course, it's called Forex Course 202, or also it's called the institutional trader. And in order to come to the FX 202, then you need to graduate from this course first. And you are going to graduate from this course when, number 1, you have your charts set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose, and you are learning this partially right now. Number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction for the week. Should you buy or should you sell Euro JPY, right? Was Euro JPY yesterday? And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. Not just retail, institutional too. Risk disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. These streams are for educational purposes only. Remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Try to have an open mind. And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. That being said, right, yesterday I believe we talked about Euro JPY. And then I don't remember, Julius, you asked for GBP JPY? Was it here, Euro JPY? Yes. Okay, everybody, you had a homework, right? Do the same process. Analyze the Euro JPY daily chart with try to understand Euro JPY general direction, short-term direction, timing, and then the Fibonacci's. Today we're going to continue, is the same title, the original Fibonacci and the Contrarian part 2. So everybody, if you did the homework, type in the chat what is your educated prediction for Euro JPY daily chart, and then we are going to go together. Delete, everybody. So this is Euro JPY now, it's the daily chart, and we have the new original one. Okay, so what is your educated prediction? Long or short? Educated prediction. One more time. Educated prediction. We are going to have some traders are going to say, well, long for the week. Somebody is going to say short for the week. Oh, but it's Thursday, boss. It doesn't matter. We are learning, everybody. Makes sense? So long and short. What we are doing, everybody, from yesterday and today, you can do this on Sunday before the markets open. Okay, you can make an educated prediction about all the currency pairs. So in general, everybody, This is what you see. How would you trade for today and tomorrow? Or let's assume that today it's Monday. How would you trade this pair on the daily chart? Would you buy or would you sell? And of course we have the 4 rectangles, right? We have general direction, we have short-term direction. So we have Gen D, general direction. We have short term, not short trend, short term direction, short term direction. Then we have timing, right? Timing, we said we're going to have timing, and lastly we have the Fibonacci's. Yes, timing is determined from the candle. So timing, and then lastly we have the Fibonacci's, right? So Fibonacci. Okay, everybody, type in the chat Euro JPY daily chart. How would you trade this pair for the next 5 days? And one more time, don't be shy, don't be scared, we are here to learn. There is no right or wrong, everybody. You can go long, you can go short. Thank you very much for the thumb up. This is how you can help us to improve the YouTube logarithm. We talked about this more in detail yesterday. Hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Queen. Euro JPY daily chart. This is what you see. Would you rather buy for the next 5 days or would you rather sell for the next 5 days? There is no right or wrong, everybody. We are learning number 3 and number 2 partially. Hello Freedom, I'm new. Hello. So if you are new, we are working partially on number 2. If you make a wrong prediction, this is good. How is this good? This is good because you understand why you lose. Everybody, make sense? Making money has 2 sides. Not to get too philosophical, right? Okay? Making money, everybody. Golden nugget for you. Making money has 2 sides. Number 1, understanding how and why we lose, and we stop doing this or that. Correct my English, everybody. Number 2, we understand how and why we win, and we try to do more of this. Sorry for my English, everybody. Can you understand this, everyone? Making money in the financial markets, it doesn't matter, stock market, crypto market, forex market, making money as a trader has 2 sides. As an investor too, right? Number 1, understanding how and why we lose, and we stop doing this. So don't be shy in here, you know, educated, oh, I'm going to make a mistake. Mistakes are how we learn. Okay? You've been trained, everybody, not to make mistakes, agreed? But making mistakes is how we learn in the financial markets. This is why you should be on the demo account, So making money has two sides, understanding how and why we lose and we stop doing this, and number two, the other side is we understand how and why we win and we try to do more of this. Maybe not the best English, right? But still. Clara short. Queen short. Clara, hello, how are you? Shola, general up, short and trend down. Fibonacci. Wow. Wow. So, general up. General, everybody. Does everybody agree? So we started strong today. Okay, type in the chat your analysis, everybody, like Shola did. General up, short time trend down, down, timing, Fibonacci down, timing down, Fibonacci down, clone and timing down. Okay, clone, timing down. Short for the week. Everybody, we have two shorts. Does anybody want to go long? Hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Olufemi. Ala, what about you? It is not short time trend, it's short time direction. Yes, sir. Come on, everybody. Hedge fund trader Queen positioned herself. Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola positioned herself. Long or short for the next 5 days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I mean still tomorrow, but we have no class tomorrow. Tomorrow and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what are you going to do? Clara short, we have 3 shorts, everybody. Edit label, 3 shorts. Anybody wants to go long? Okay, so let's start, right? General direction. General direction. Our original Fibonacci is up. The market wave. Everybody, the yellow line and the violet line. The violet line almost broke the yellow, but still the market wave is up. Okay, we are above the trend line. So general direction, if you did the homework, general direction on the daily is up. Congratulations to you. Hello, hedge fund trader Virginia, how are you? Dancy, general up, short up. Wow, we have different visuals, this is great. Short term is up, timing up, Fibo down. Dancy, I know that you sent me a homework yesterday, okay? To be fair to you, we are going to talk about what is happening right now. Okay, everybody? The monthly and the weekly are not going to change from one day to another, but the daily might change. Okay? So, Dancy wants to go long. We have 3 shorts, everybody. 1 long. Okay, so we all agree that general direction is up. Now we have different visuals on the short-term direction. Okay, so short-term direction is determined by what? Shola said short-term down. Dancy says short-term up. Dancy, is the market making higher highs, higher lows, or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? Dancy and everybody else, is the market making higher highs, higher lows, or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? So far, the yellow line, everybody, some of you need to practice. You're still confusing the market wave with the short-term trend. We are in a retracement. Yes, we are. So everybody, the short-term direction is down. The market on the daily, it's making lower lows, lower highs. Make sense? We are using the same concepts from the monthly, weekly, and the daily too. Okay, everybody? Short-term direction on the daily. Oh, but we were in a retracement, sure. But this short-term direction, it's not from the daily, everybody. Okay, it's from the smaller time frames. Short-term direction on the daily is down. Okay, everybody, the correct answer with these concepts, short-term direction, it's not up, it's down. Okay, everybody, so we're going to delete this one. Timing is defined by the candle, right? So if you enter, it doesn't really matter if you enter right now. We learned counter trendline breaks, right? If you enter right now, what is the candle or the candles telling you? Is this market going to most likely push down, or is this market most likely push up for the next few days? There is no right or wrong. What do you think? Dance down, Shola. I think that we can draw confirmation Fibonacci. We are going to learn. We are not there yet, everybody. So what is the timing telling you? Okay. Now remember, we need a closed candle, right? So we have a closed, we learned this, we have a closed bearish engulfing candle, but this one at this very moment is doing what? Remember, everybody, take a pen and paper and let's write this down. The smaller the time frame, the more volatile. And volatility equals to uncertainty. Okay? Dancy says last candle not closed yet is bullish. Sure. So how are you going to decide, everybody, what to do? Okay, so decide now step by step, right? Okay, trading concept, the smaller the time frame, the smaller the time frame, the more noisy, right? The smaller the time frame, the more let's use the word noisy. Okay, and noise equals to uncertainty. Correct my grammar, everybody. Trading concept, the smaller the time frame, the more noisy. Noise means uncertainty. Correct my English, please, if you see grammar mistakes, everybody. So number 2, how are you going to so which candle, maybe a better question, which candle are you going to use for timing, right? Are you going to use for timing, everybody? Let's say that you are going to enter on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart right now, and you are seeing those two candles. Which one are you going to use for timing? if you're going to, yes, give me a second, calm down. Somebody's yelling at me, calm down. Breathe, you know, breathe, calm down. I'm going to explain to you everything. So, if you take this candle here, which is bearish, it's closed, right? You are going to enter right now. The market might go up and up and up, and you are going to get frustrated because the market is going to go against you, which is totally normal. On the other side, if you are going to take this white candle bullish and you are going to buy, then you are going to risk, because this candle is not closed yet, that you are going to buy right now, but at the end of the day this candle is going to close, speculation wise, is going to close bearish. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. And of course, freedom, what would you do? I'm basing my decision on the previous one, which is closed. Not on the monthly. The monthly moving up or down, it's relevant. Not on the weekly moving up, it's up and down, it's relevant to me for my strategy. But the daily, I am basing my decision on the closed candle. Okay? Then so we use closed candles, so well, there is no right or wrong, makes sense? If you're a scalper, this, it depends on the style. Great question, Nancy. If you're a scalper, on the 5-minute chart, this one that it's moving right now might be more relevant to you. If you're on the 4-hour chart, the previous one might be more relevant to you. Make sense, everybody? Okay? You don't have a, not you, we don't have an easy choice in here, okay? So we are going to leave it open, okay? Not to say correct or not correct. Okay, so timing, we're going to leave it both, up and down. What about the Fibonacci's? This is 1, this is 2. What about the Fibonacci's, everybody? Who is winning right now? Is the original one winning, or is the Contrarian winning? Dancy says makes sense. Which one is winning right now, everybody? For sure, the original Fibonacci is stronger, and this is why 1 + 1 + 1 general direction is up. But right now, at this very moment, who is winning? Is the original one winning and the market's making higher highs, higher lows, or is the Contrarian winning and it's making lower lows, lower highs? Contrarian, 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 very good. So everybody, bottom line, right? Bottom line, we are going to count 1 + 1 + 1 + 1. So we are going to take this as indecision. Makes sense? Timing, undecided. We have a bearish close but bullish still forming, undecided, right? But we have 1 to go up and 2 to go down. So we should be, it's a prediction, not a guarantee, we should be shorting the market, right? Short. Now, finally, right? Somebody's typing finally, right? Finally, recap. Yesterday, the monthly says to us that we need to go long. The month is telling us buy Euro JPY on the 2-hour chart. The weekly is telling us sell Euro JPY on the 2-hour chart. The daily, you see where I'm going, right? The daily is telling us sell Euro JPY. Sell Euro JPY on the 2-hour chart, or 1-hour chart, or you know, whatever, everybody. So we are here right now. Type in the chat, would you prefer the 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, or we can stay on the 4-hour chart, everybody? So in the meantime, I'm going just to write here monthly says buy, weekly says sell, daily says for us to sell the market, right? We're almost there, everybody. So what do you think? Should you buy or should you sell the 4-hour chart? Somebody's typing, not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. Oh, I'm getting it. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, everybody. If you are getting this, if this makes sense, then you are moving forward in your education as a trader, everybody. Julius, 4-hour chart, okay? Same story. 4 quadrants, 4 rectangles, general direction, short term direction, timing, and lastly Fibonacci's. Okay, everybody, so let's do this one more time and then we are going to enter the trade. So Gen D, not Gen Z, not Generation Z, it's general direction, short term direction, short-term direction. We have timing. No, it's somebody's asking, oh, this is then 100% rate. No, it's not. Everybody, you can do everything. You must learn probabilities. Make sense? Everybody, you must learn probabilities. What does this mean? Monthly is telling you to buy, the weekly is telling you to sell, the daily is telling you to sell, the 4-hour is telling you to sell. You are going to short the market and you can still lose. Okay? But then what? Calm down. You can do everything in the correct way and you can still lose. This is the bad news. What is the good news? You are not going to lose 7 times out of 10. Okay? If you are going to do everything in the correct way, you are going to have the occasional loser, but you are going to win 7 times out of 10. Okay? Don't do stupid things with money. Oh, now I get this and I'm going to open a live account. I'm going to put in 300 bucks and I'm going to risk 50% of the account. You can still lose. You can have the occasional loser. Make sense, everybody? Timing, and then we have here the Fibonacci. You must learn random distribution. Julius 4-hour, Dancy 4-hour sell, short, okay? General direction. What is general direction telling you, everybody? So this is now the 4-hour chart, right? How, everybody type in the chat, general direction up or down. How do you understand the market on the 4-hour chart, you are using trend lines, market wave, short-term trends. How do you understand, everybody? Now this yellow line is from the daily, right? This is from the daily market wave. Then the Fibonacci was up and up and up. Now it reversed, it's down. General direction down, down, down. Okay, very good. We all agree. Market wave is down, Fibonacci is down. Okay, excellent. Short-term direction. General direction is down. Okay, what about the short-term direction, which is defined by the short-term trend? Is the market making higher highs, higher lows? Or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? And don't confuse the market wave, which is the yellow line, with the short-term trend, everybody. Don't confuse the two. Higher high, not a low high, low. Okay, everybody, don't confuse the two. Some of you are in the advanced course and you have a difficult time making money, right? Short-term trend is down. Right, everybody? Question, is this short? See how this works? Is this short-term trend, everybody, confirmed or not confirmed? Queen says down. Is this, we learned this in the previous lessons, what is the criteria to confirm an uptrend? What is the criteria to confirm a downtrend? All of you are saying, well, short-term direction is down. Do you have a confirmed downtrend, yes or no? Let's zoom in to see, not a high, so this is the low, right? Not confirmed. Okay, everybody, so we're going to type in here, so it's down, but not confirmed, right? Down, not confirmed. Excellent, very good. What about timing? What is the candle doing, or the previous candle? What is the market telling you? Are you going to, is going to fall or is going to go up? Shola says no, not confirmed. Dancy, not confirmed. Elder, hello passion everyone, and I'm new here. Welcome Elder, how are you? Elder and everybody else, if you have a difficult time understanding, please go back to Duca's Copy YouTube webinar page and start to watch and learn basic module lesson number 1, what is market structure. Okay, Elder, if it's, and then if you have questions, just send me an email or Skype, whatever. So for our chart, what is timing telling you? Engulfing candle but not closed yet, but up, how it looks now. So what is the timing? And again, everybody, we have a few choices, right? What is the choice? I can wait for this candle to close, right? This would be one. Or I can wait for the market to confirm the short-term trend. Make sense, everybody? Now, we need to do something else in here. We're going to leave this open. We need to draw what? We are missing what in here? Exactly, we are missing the contrarian, so sub A. Let's make it smaller, sub A, and clone edit label sub B, clone, edit label sub C, and one last time, clone, edit label sub D, sub A, sub C, sub B, sub D. Yeah, got it, patient, thumbs up, thank you very much. Allah up. Timing is up, said Allah. Okay, so this is our sub A, and our sub B is up in here. Fibonacci retracement tool. The market hit the extension, sub the extension. What is the high? 138308, and this is 1382. So yes, the market hit the sub the extension. So we have a new Contrarian Fibonacci. This would be the sub A, and this would be the sub B, right? Sub C down in here, sub D up in here. This is when we talk about the Fibonacci's, right? So general direction down, short-term direction down, not confirmed yet. Timing at this very moment, and again widget and date, countdown to candle close, everybody. We're going to click in here, and this candle is going to, the white candle is going to close in my platform in 2 hours, right? So I need to wait. Everybody. So this is the sub C so far. Okay, timing. So it's kind of, yes, we have the same challenge, right? Same challenge, everybody, as in for the daily. Same challenge as per here. We have a closed body candle, bearish, but the most recent daily candle, it's moving up. Okay, so but this is not closed yet, so we have the same noise. Noise means uncertainty. On the 4-hour chart, you have a closed candle, bearish, and you have a bullish, but it's not closed yet. Okay, so again, there is no right or wrong. Some of you is going to say, okay, I'm going to decide based on this candle. Somebody is going to say, well, I'm going to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Make sense, everybody? Yes, it's a fair question, because, you know, if you would see this one, right? If you would see this before, and you would have a counter trendline break, just maybe you would enter the market short in here, and you would be in a market right now shorting the market. Okay, and the market would of course go against you, which is normal part of trading, nothing special. Okay, so timing, we are going to down but not confirmed. Okay, timing, we are going to leave it up or down, to be honest and fair to everybody, not say, oh, you are right or you are wrong, you know, up or down. We have a bearish candle, bullish still forming. What about the Fibonacci's? Everybody, who is winning right now? Now this is the most difficult question at this very moment. You have the monthly chart analyzed, and the monthly chart is telling you to buy. You have the weekly chart analyzed, and the weekly chart is telling you to sell. You have the daily chart analyzed, and the daily chart is telling you to sell too. in comparison between the original Fibonacci and the contrarian one on the 4-hour time frame, who is winning right now? There is no right or wrong, we're here to learn. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Make sense? Who is winning in your opinion? Is the original one winning? The thought process is always the same. Is the market making lower lows, lower highs? So you're going to say, well, the original one is winning. Or is the market making higher highs, higher lows? And you're going to say, well, the contrarian is winning. Contrarian because downtrend is not confirmed. Everybody, do you agree with Dancy or do you have any other opinion? Dancy says, well, contrarian because the downtrend is not confirmed. So low to high, high to... I'm not seeing this one correctly. Low to high, high to... High to... which one? This is the low, right? High to low. Low to... not a high. High to low here. So this is the sub A. High to low, low to high, and then high to low. So this is the short-term trend right now. Not confirmed yet, right? Queen says, I guess contrarian. Anybody else? Okay, so next level learning, everybody. For today, next level learning. You have a confirmed uptrend and then something like this. Oops. You have a confirmed uptrend, right? Okay. And then something like this happens. Okay. Who is stronger? Is the left story, we learned about stories, is the left story stronger or is the right story stronger? You are going to lose a lot of money or you are going to make a lot of money if you understand this. Who is stronger? If you get this wrong, you are going to lose a lot, I promise you. Make sense? Why? Why are we going to lose? We are going to lose because we are going to go against the trend. Talking about being more specific, we are going to go against the short-term trend. Who is stronger? Type in the chat. Let's make a poll. There is no right or wrong. Don't be shy. We are here to learn. Who is stronger? The violet uptrend or the red not confirmed downtrend? Left story. Left, I think. Anybody else? Who is stronger? Left. Anybody else? Who is stronger? The left one or the red one? Hedge fund trader Shola, what do you think? Right is maybe just noise. Where those rules, everybody, are black and white, not subject to interpretation, so it's not noise. The question is, who is stronger? Okay, so we are here. Give me a second, everybody. We are here, right? We are here. We're going to color code this in black. We are here. Okay. We are here. And let's say that you are going to buy, right? Most of you are saying, well, the left side is stronger. Okay. So you are going to buy the market, and I'm going to call in my office and I'm going to ask you, why the heck did you buy? What is going to be your answer? Everybody, we are here right now and you're going to buy the market. This is what you see. You know, you have the left story, you have the right story, but this is the visual that you have, right? And you are going to buy, and I'm going to call you in the office and I'm going to ask you, I'm going to be mean, and I'm going to ask you, why the heck did you buy in here? What are you going to tell me? Hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Queen, hedge fund trader Shola. I'm asking you, why the heck did you buy in here? What you're going to tell me? On analysis on the daily chart, the Fibonacci broke original Fibonacci, and then I drew original slash swing, and okay, everybody, all of this is not relevant to this question. We are talking about who is stronger. Shola, you are correct, but not your answer is not relevant. Why did you buy in here? What are you going to tell me? Everybody, who is stronger, the left story or the right story? So if I buy in here, am I making any mistakes as a trader, knowing the concepts, black and white? Dancy, focus on the question. Why the heck did you buy in here? What is the answer? See, everybody, how this works? If you don't know the answer, how can you tell that the left side is stronger? Make sense? You have an uptrend and then you have a downtrend that it's not confirmed. Come on, who is stronger? You are going to lose big time if this is not clear to you. And again, this is not 100, you know, but this is a concept that you are going to win 7 times out of 10. You know, why the heck did you buy this in here? Oh, because this one is stronger. This is not an answer. The left one is stronger. Based on what? Okay, now let's change the subject, everybody. I'm going to ask you, I'm still going to be mean to you as a boss, and I'm going to ask you, why the heck did you sell the red one in here? Let's say that you did not buy, let's say that you shorted the market. Same question, why the heck did you sell in here? What's the answer? And remember, we are talking about timing right now. This applies to all of us. If you buy or if you sell, some are going to lose most of the time, some are going to win most of the time. Who is stronger? Yes, staying out would be the easiest one, right? But you cannot stay out, everybody. I'm not sure today, but I'm going to explain to you, you know, how would you enter anyways. Make sense? If you are honest with yourself, you would be in this market right now. Who is stronger? Not sell because we are making again higher highs and higher lows. I'm sorry to tell you, hedge fund trader Dancy, You don't have a higher low, you have a lower low. You have a lower low, then see, and you have a lower high. So no. Go studying. I'm into you. I'm the boss. Why the heck did you sell? Shola, because it made a lower low. Congratulations. That's it. Why did you sell? Because it made a lower low. Right? Because the trend had changed. Well, it's not confirmed yet, but who is stronger? Clara says because the trend has changed. Not yet, it's not confirmed yet. Okay? See everybody how this works? Same question. Why the heck did you buy in here? Nobody answered anything. But why the heck did you sell in here? Oh, because it made a lower low, or it's changing the trend, or whatever. One last time, who is stronger? This conversation, it's not about being right or wrong, everybody. This has nothing to do with being right or wrong. It's a matter of probabilities. If you buy in here 7 times out of 10, you are going to lose. If you short the market 7 times out of 10, you are going to win. We are not in an uptrend anymore. Wow, right? Everybody, you might be losing on your demo account so far just because of not understanding this concept. Make sense? Why the heck did you sell? Because we are not in an uptrend anymore. The market broke the uptrend line and start making the lower low and the lower high, and we need another lower low to confirm the downtrend. Congratulations to you, Queen. The right side is stronger. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, everybody. And somebody's going to yell at me, oh, but I lost yesterday. It's a probability profession. You are going to win 7 times out of 10. Are we clear on this? Fibonacci is 2. Now, that being clarified, everybody, who is winning? Is the original one winning, or is the contrarian one winning? If you say the left side is stronger, you are going to say, well, see how this works, everybody? If in your mind you say the left side is stronger, then you are going to buy this. Let's say that this candle closes bullish, so you are going to buy this market, this Fibonacci, the contrarian one. You are going to put your stop loss down in here, and this is your trade. You are going to buy. If you say, well, the right side is stronger and the original one is winning, then you are going to short the market. You are going to put the stop loss above the A, right? And this is going to be your trade. And if you do this 10 times, a number is going to be shown to you how you trade. Make sense? You can check how you trade, everybody, and you are going to see how well do you, not being right or wrong, but how well do you understand this market. Original is winning, exactly. Okay, so in conclusion for today, you know, for some of you, oh, now this candle, if you want, you can enter right now. Okay, now pay attention. This is the last thing I'm going to say to you. When most of you are still scared, which is okay, welcome to the club, but back in time. So yesterday morning, yesterday night, this was the counter trend line 1. This was the counter trend line number 2. So you've seen this one, right? And most likely you would enter here. You would have entered in here the grid, everybody. This would be an okay trade based on the monthly, weekly, daily. Okay? So, but it happened that you just might woke up and say, oh my gosh, you know, the market is going against me. Make sense? So you have two choices. So you can, choice number 1, you can enter right now. Oh, but the market is going against me. Well, you are not trading 5-minute charts, everybody. You are going to enter this market right now with the understanding that this is your decision here, not this right now. Make sense? This is one. You can enter right now and you say, oh, why did you short the market? Because this is what I see. The market broke the counter trend line. The original is winning. The market's making lower lows, lower highs, not confirmed yet. But this is the decision. Make sense? Or, if you want, you can wait for this candle, the white one, to close bearish and you enter on the next one. Does this make sense to you? Okay. So we are going to enter right now sell market and stop loss, not in points, price. Our stop loss is going to be 142.42. We are in the market, everybody, and on Monday we are going to see how this trade played out. Okay, everybody, this is all for this week. See you back on Monday. Until Monday, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money. You want to be free, right? This is FXFreedom, former FX Passion, right? We changed the name because you identify more with freedom, everybody. Have a great week.